Making conversation a breeze. Mastering tag questions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to discuss an important and quite interesting part of conversational English. It's something we all use often, sometimes without even realizing it. Yes, we're talking about tag questions. This simple tool can really make your English conversations more interactive and engaging, and we're going to master them together. Let's begin by understanding what tag questions are. In simple terms, tag questions are short questions added at the end of statements or sentences, usually to confirm something or to make sure something is understood. They turn statements into questions, and this is a common way we interact and engage with each other in English. Here's an example. You're learning English, aren't you? In this sentence, "aren't you" is the tag question. Now let's break down the structure of tag questions. Generally, they follow this pattern. If the main part of the sentence is positive, the tag question is negative, and vice versa. For instance, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" Here the statement is positive, so the tag question is negative. On the other hand, "You're not sick, are you?" Here the statement is negative, so the tag question is positive. We use tag questions with various verb tenses, and it's essential to use the correct auxiliary verb or modal verb in the tag question. Let's look at a few examples. With present simple tense, use do or does. For example, "She likes coffee, doesn't she?" With past simple tense, use did. For example, "They went to the museum, didn't they?" With present perfect tense, use have or has. For example, "You've seen this movie, haven't you?" Tag questions are not just used for confirmation, but also for expressing emotions or attitudes. For example, if we want to express surprise, we might say, "It's raining again, isn't it?" If we want to express annoyance, we might say, "You're late again, aren't you?" And there you have it. We've covered the basics of using tag questions in English. Practice using tag questions in your conversations, as they're a wonderful way to make your interactions more engaging and dynamic. Remember, mastering a language is all about practice. So, keep talking, keep learning, and you'll surely become more fluent and confident with each passing day. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next one. Happy learning!